This next segment of mine is one of my favorites, and I like to call it the Quickie.
The what?
The Quickie. In this one, there is no long explanation. It is just as I said, a Quickie fix. All right, so this is the carbon monoxide alarm. It's very important to install these alarms by any sort of equipment that burns gas. So we have a gas fireplace. We're going to install this one right beside. So here we go. And that's my Quickie for today. Now remember, just because you're deadly doesn't mean your house has to be. There we go. And then, so I ran away.
Yeah, but that's okay. I didn't get that, but you can.